Hola everyone, hello and welcome to this video. And in this video we're going to be downloading an IDE for our coding. So basically an IDE is just a short name for Integrated Development Environment, and it's just a software that is used to convert our words, which is code that we type in, into a language that a computer can understand, which is computers only understand zeros and ones, so it converts words into zeros and ones. So right now you want to open up your favorite browser and type in code blocks, because that's the IDE that we will be using in this course. Click the search button. After that you should see a first link, codeblocks.org. Click there. After clicking there, what we want to do is download, so ignore the other stuff and click the download button. After clicking the download button, you should see a page like this. So basically you can download code blocks in three ways. The first one, which is download the binary release, because that's the easy one, so we're just going to click there right away. So click the first option and you should see a page like this. So for Mac users, just scroll down to the end of the page, and that's where you will do your downloading there. To your left, there's sourceforge.net. Click there and it should direct you to a download page that does the magic. It's going to start downloading automatically. So for Windows users like me, you have to go at the beginning of your page, and here don't get confused, just make sure you choose the one where it says double min setup.execution, and also go to your left, click sourceforge.net, and it will lead you to the page that does the magic, and the magic will start happening, which is it's going to start downloading automatically. And I already have code blocks, so I'm just going to cancel this because it's not necessary, because I have already installed code blocks. So after the downloading is done, open this software and it should start installing. Basically the install process is easy. It's just like you're installing your game or app. And on Mac, for Mac users, well, it's a different story. It's a bit confusing and tedious, but don't worry, I'm here for you. So if you are on Windows, you can pause this video and move on, but if you are on Mac, just keep watching.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install code blocks on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can download and install code blocks on our Mac operating system. So first of all, before installing code blocks, you need to have Xcode installed on your Mac operating system. And how you can install Xcode? You just need to go to App Store here. So just click on App Store, and then once App Store is open, you just need to search for Xcode and then press enter, and the first option here you can see is the Xcode. Now for installing Xcode, you need to have your Apple ID and Apple account, and then once you have that Apple ID, using that you will be able to see install button here instead of update, because I have already installed Xcode on my system, so I can see update. But if it's not installed, you will be able to see install button here. So you just need to click install and then Xcode will be installed on our system. Now if you have any problem in installing Xcode, I have already made a video for installing Xcode, so I will just provide the link in the description to install Xcode, and then you can watch that video and then install Xcode. So once you have Xcode on your system, then you just need to open your favorite browser and search for code blocks, and the first website which will appear here will be from codeblocks.org. So we are going to click on that link, and then we can directly click on downloads, and here you will be able to see different kind of downloads, right? So we want the download of the binary release, so we are going to choose the first option which says download the binary release, and once you click that link you will be redirected to this page. Now here you just need to choose Mac OS X, and here you will be able to see this option, and you just need to click on this option which says sourceforge.net. So I'm going to just click on this option. which is going to start the download of the zip file. So just agree and proceed, and then this is going to start the download of this zip file. So this zip file is around 20 megabytes, so it will be downloaded really fast. And once it's downloaded, we are going to open it, and then we are going to just extract the code blocks into our applications folder. So now this zip file is downloaded, so I'm going to double click on this zip file, which is going to open this archive utility, and you will be able to see this extracted code blocks on your folder explorer. So you can see this code blocks option here. So what you need to do is you just need to open once again one more instance of Finder window, and then you can just open the applications directory here. So just click on this option, it says applications, and then drag and drop this code block icon inside your applications. Okay, so it's going to be copied and pasted inside your applications folder. And once you have this, you can directly click on this code blocks option from here, or you can just go to Launchpad, and at the bottom you will be able to see this icon, code blocks. You just need to click on this code blocks icon, and once you click on this code blocks icon, it's going to show code blocks can't be opened because it is from unidentified developer. So to solve this problem, I'm going to just click OK for now, and then I'm going to just choose my system preferences. So I'm going to open my system preferences. I will just click on Apple here, Apple logo, and then I'm going to just click on this option which says system preferences. And once the system preferences opens, what I need to do is I need to go to the security and privacy option. So just click on this option, and under security and privacy, what you need to do is you just need to first of all authenticate by clicking on this lock here. So just click on this lock, and then just give your max password. And once you authenticate, you will be able to see this option which says App Store and identified developer, and other says App Store, right? So we just need to click this option. You can see code blocks was blocked from opening because it is not from identified developer. So we just need to click this option which says open anyway, and then it's going to allow us to open code blocks. And you can see code blocks is now opened, and once again it's going to show us this option, are you sure you want to open it? We are going to just say open, and I'm going to minimize this system preferences. And for the first time when code blocks opens, it's going to find out the compilers which are installed on your Mac operating system. So by default on my Mac operating system, GNU GCC compiler is detected, and LLVM CLang compiler is detected. So I will leave everything as default for now, which is GNU GCC compiler for me. But whatever is default for you, you just need to leave it as it is, and then click OK. And you can see now this code blocks IDE is opened on our Mac operating system. So let's create a project. So I'm going to just click